And at number 2, the Disney Adventure. Get ready to embark on a magical voyage with Disney Adventure. With a gross tonnage of 208,000 tons, it will accommodate approximately 6,700 passengers. The ship will offer over 20 different restaurants and bars, including themed dining experiences. The Disney Adventure will soon set sail as the ultimate destination for families seeking a blend of storytelling, innovation, and enchantment. Every moment on this spectacular ship will be infused with Disney magic, creating an unforgettable experience for guests of all ages. When the ship launches, guests will be greeted by beloved Disney characters and immersive experiences inspired by classic stories. Dining will transform into an adventure, featuring interactive restaurants where meals become part of the magic. Families will explore thrilling attractions like the Aqua Blast water coaster and themed play areas inspired by Frozen and Star Wars. Evenings will dazzle with Broadway-style productions, deck parties, and fireworks lighting up the night sky. Adults will retreat to sophisticated lounges, fine dining experiences, and luxurious spa treatments, while kids will enjoy dedicated spaces filled with creativity and fun. With Disney's signature service and attention to detail, the Disney Adventure will deliver an unparalleled vacation. From exploring exotic destinations to creating cherished memories on board, this ship will be the perfect setting for happily ever afters. Get ready to set sail on the Disney Adventure, where every day will be filled with wonder.